Hey guys, so the new Deadpool and Wolverine movie just came out recently. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build the Wolverine Claws at home using just cardboard and super glue. So make sure you watch the video till the end, don't skip any part of it. And by the end of this video, you'll also be able to build a similar Wolverine Claws like the one you see in this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the tutorial. Now the first thing that you need to do is to sketch out the basic diagram of the Wolverine Claw. The Wolverine Claw ranges from about 20 to 25 centimeters in length, so depending on the size of your hand, you might need to play around with that number to figure out which one fits you best. So I'll leave a basic diagram of the Wolverine Claw on screen, so you can pause the video and check it out to get some ideas on how to do your own. So after sketching out the diagram, you transfer your diagram onto the cardboard and then you cut it out like the way you see in this video. So after cutting out the first diagram of the Wolverine Claw, make sure you check if it fits your hand comfortably and the way you like it before you proceed with the rest of the claws. So after cutting all the 3 claws for the right hand, make sure you check if all the 3 claws fit your hand the way you like it and make sure they are comfortable too. So if they are, then let's move on to the next process. So the aim of this next process is to cover all the corrugations or holes at the bottom of the Wolverine Claw. This will help make your build look more professional and it will also give the sharp edge of the Wolverine Claw. So use a plier and a super glue just like the way you see in the video. So the next process is to cover the corrugations at the top of the Wolverine Claw. So cut a thin strip of paper or cardboard like the way you see in this video and use it to cover the corrugations at the top of the claw with the help of super glue. So when you're done with the first claw, just repeat the same process for the rest of the other 2 claws for the right arm. And if you do so, you'll end up with something like this. So now that you are done with the right hand, just repeat the whole process for the left hand too. And you should have something like this. So at this point, you can either join all the 3 claws together to form one solid structure, or you can just leave them individual like this. I decided to leave them individual like this because I ran out of super glue, but I recommend you to join all the 3 claws to form one solid structure because that one will be more stable and it will not be flipping around anyhow. Now the final part is just to spray paint the claws some silver color, then you're basically done.